Now, I'm going to do the under-bonnet checks in a Hyundai ix20 car. So we just pull the lever there for the open the bonnet, and we go around to the front of the car now and open the hood. So we'll push the lever to the left under the hood and pull up the hood and put up the lever to support the hood. Now that's that done. Now, in the Hyundai ix20 you have your windscreen water bottle here, and that's the standard symbol for windscreen water filling there. This is your coolant here, and the coolant has to be between the full mark and the low mark on the tub. In the back then here we have the, I don't know, can you see it or not? We have the brake fluid container, and there's a minimum and maximum mark on the side of the brake fluid container to show you what level of brake fluid is in the tub. You check your oil by pulling out the dipstick here. You clean the dipstick, put it back in, take it out a second time and check the level of oil in the dipstick. And if a short drop of oil, you put some oil in here, because that's where you put the engine oil in. Your steering on this car is electronic, so if there's a problem with the steering, a dash light will come on inside in the car as you're driving along, or you might feel that the steering is a little bit off when you go to steer. Needless to say, you'd have to get it sorted straight away. Thank you. Hopefully that helps you. Bye bye.